This section of the induction covers the arrangements made to stop the spread of COVID-19 during Beddington ERF 2021 outage. Please listen carefully to the following information in order to protect our team as well as those working on our site and ensure everybody can go home safe. Viridor have taken a number of steps to protect its sites and reduce the spread of COVID-19. These steps can be found on the HomeSafe website. If you are presenting any of the following symptoms, please do not enter site. This includes a high temperature, a new or continuous cough, and a loss of taste or smell. So what can you do while working on site to help control the virus? Maintain social distancing when working with others by staying at least 2 meters apart. Wash your hands on arrival to site for at least 20 seconds with soap and warm water. Wash your hands regularly throughout the day, either with soap and water or hand gel. Where possible, avoid high traffic areas such as the canteen and avoid congregating in corridors. When using meeting rooms, please follow the instructions printed on the doors. Clean the room down before and after your meeting. Do not congregate in groups, and if you need to have a conversation with someone, do so outside or in a well-ventilated area and maintain social distancing. The current measures Beddington ERF are implementing to help combat the spread of coronavirus include a one-way system around the permit office to limit interaction of working parties, additional cleaning and sanitising of workstations and the contractor cabins has been arranged through a contracted cleaning company. Clear site instructions to site staff and visitors through toolbox talks, site signage, inductions and site bulletins. There are other ways to manage the spread of COVID on site. These can be addressed by avoiding working in groups or contact with others. Where working together is required, maintain a 2-metre distance at all times and stagger lunch breaks. If a 2-metre distance is not possible, an additional risk assessment must be completed to manage this risk and time limited as much as possible. Other additional measures may include only working outdoors or in a well-ventilated area, maintaining bubbles, although you must be aware if any visitor displays symptoms, everyone within that working party will be asked to leave site. During Beddington 2021 outage, face coverings are a mandatory requirement across the key areas around site. These areas may change and will be enforced to maintain the safety of our staff, contractors and visitors. Key areas include reception and the general admin building, the safety corridor to the permit office and control room, including the stairs, and the control room itself. We've increased the level of site cleaning being undertaken. We've increased the number of hand sanitizer stations on site. Other good hygiene practices you can implement to help stop the spread of coronavirus include washing your hands with soap and water often or using the hand sanitizer provided. Always wash your hands when you get home or into work. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or sleeve when you cough or sneeze. Place used tissues in the bin straight away and wash your hands afterwards. Avoid physical contact with others such as shaking hands. If you or a colleague display coronavirus symptoms whilst at work, please contact your supervisor. Any suspected or confirmed cases of COVID-19 will be communicated by email to the relevant parties. Where there is a need to restrict part or all of the site due to COVID-19, Viridor shall notify all relevant parties concerned and advise the nature and expected duration of the restrictions. These shall be in line with the Beddington ERF COVID-19 contingency arrangements. Lastly, if you are not sure about something, ask, even if it seems like a daft question. We would like to ensure you get home safe. If you believe a work situation presents a serious or imminent hazard to your health, you should remove yourself from your work area and immediately notify your supervisor or a member of the Viridor management. Safety is everybody's concern and everybody's responsibility. Thank you for your attention during this part of the induction. Please complete the following questions before moving on to the next stage of the induction.